Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Alex and I'll be taking you through the updates for repairing missing fillet references. Changes are a natural part of the design process. In this example, the cutout on this screen rim needs to be a separate feature to support multiple configurations in the assembly. This change is easy. We can use the contours of the existing sketch and create the features required for this change. As expected, the mounting holes update automatically. However, the fillets fail. The edge references have changed, even though the geometry is identical to the original design. A new streamlined workflow in SOLIDWORKS 2020 will now automatically repair these missing fillet edges, speeding the design change process and keeping you focused on your design. In summary, missing fillet references can be repaired automatically and design changes are made easier. SOLIDWORKS 2020, speeding up the design process.